Hi guys, what's up guys? So in this video, you're going to discover how to make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing without a website. And this is beginner friendly, regardless of whatever level that you are in affiliate marketing, you'll be able to do this. And this is 100% free method. You don't have to pay any dime, invest any dime in order to make it happen, okay? So before we start, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. In this channel, I'll talk a lot about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and anything that related to online marketing as well. So consider smash the like button because it does help the algorithm, and do hit the bell notification because I will upload on daily basis anything that related to make money online. Okay, so the website or platform that we are going to be utilized is called clickbank.com. so you can actually use whatever platform that you are heavy to, but in this particular video I'm going to use clickbank.com, and we are going to promoting under self-help niche, which is dating guides. Okay, so specifically what we're going to do here, we are going to doing content marketing, and we're going to get content from this offer. By the way, this is just an example, so you are free to choose whatever niche that you are interested in. And in this example, I'm going to be promoting a secret obsession. So this is the product that we are going to be promoting, and just take a look at the landing page. By the way, this is a very high converting product. As you can see, 155 gravity. This literally means that 155 affiliates are currently making money with this promotion, with this offer. And take a look at the offer, the affiliate commission. So every sales that you can bring in, you're gonna get paid $55. All right, so this is the
Hi, my name is James.
This is the offer. Okay, so it is very good because this is a video sales later. It can convert very well. Okay, so let's take a look at the affiliate JV page. So every time you want to promote any affiliate offer, be sure to take a look at the affiliate JV page. So that is why I love Clickbank so much, because you can see so many product has their affiliate JV page, whereby on this particular page you're going to get a lot of promotional material such as banner, email swipe, custom report, product review. So you can later on use all this stuff to promote on your website, blog, or social media. Okay, so it is very handy. So by the way, this is the upsell. All right, so they have a lot of upsell. It just literally means that you are able to make way more money than the initial sale, the initial commission, which is $55. All right, so this is very good, very good product, because you literally can make a lot of money. All right, so what you're gonna need to do next is in this particular method, we are going to use the custom reports. Right, so click on the custom PDF reports, and then you're gonna get all right, by the way, you need to sign up first. I have signed up. I just skip the commission bump. And so in this particular method, we are going to be utilizing the custom PDF reports. All right, so this is the reports, by the way, and we're going to promoting these 3 reports, or it is totally up to you, but the more reports you promote, the more chances people going to buy from you. Okay, so how to actually do this is we're going to leave all these 2 or 3 steps first, because we are not going to use the landing page or website or whatsoever. By the way, this is the free method that we're not going to use or invest any dime for the landing page or whatsoever. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just enter your Clickbank ID over here, and then what you need to do is you can also track your ID. So maybe I'm going to put here custom report for this one, momentum method, so CR for custom report, so that we will be able to track which report that bring us the most sale. Okay, so that we can after that just double up our effort. For example, like if this convert the most convert, so we're going to double up this one. So maybe we're gonna post it all across the internet, the blog or whatever website or page that you think relevant, and then we can do that. Okay, so that is the purpose of having the tracking ID over here. But it's okay if you want to leave it blank. it is totally up to you. Okay, so that the next thing, I'm going to check I'm not a robot, and then just simply click your personalized PDF report. So what happened next is, this is the report. So what it does is, it's literally insert your Clickbank ID down here, right? So this is the content. So this is the thing that we are going to be promoting, right? So when people go through the entire PDF, and when they find that this PDF is very valuable, and they got a lot of value through it, and then what they're going to do next is, they're going to need more, right? So that they're going to click the free presentation here. So once I click the free presentation here, it's going to land over to this presentation, which is same as this one. Okay, but this one, it doesn't has our Clickbank ID, but take a look at this one.
Hi, my name is...
So as you can see, this is my custom ID. Okay, so it has merged, or it has insert in the PDF report. That is why we call it as a custom PDF report, right? So what you need to do next is literally scatter this report all over the place on the internet, but I'm going to reveal to you the specific way on how to get tons of traffic, targeted traffic, by doing the free method. Okay, so the website that I talk about is literally Facebook. Okay, so as you can see, Facebook has very huge potential, very huge target market for any offer that you want to promote. For example, in this particular method, we're going to be promoting something that related to relationship. So what are we going to do is, we're going to find the relationship group. Okay, so you just type in relationship, and then you can click the group tab, and then, so I'm going to type in back relationship, and then click on the group tab, and then you're going to be able to see a bunch of relationships group. And take a look at this, the member of the group, 382,110 posts a day. This one 50 posts a day with 200,000, 1.5 million 30 posts, and etc, etc. Okay, so there are so many potential buyer in this group, right? And as you can see, 53k with 300 posts a day. So if you take a look at each and every one of these, you're going to be able to see that they are really engaged with this group. They are really engaging. Okay, so that is what we want, okay, in this group, because we are going to be promoting. By the way, we are not spamming here. There's nothing that we are going to promote in the group, right? Because the link, our affiliate link, is actually has inserted in our PDF report. Or what we're going to do here, we literally going to share our reports. All right, so take a look at for example, this one. I'm going to find the open group instead of close. So I don't want to go too much into it, because I just, okay, like this one over here. So you can actually create a post that related to the product that we are going to be promoting, and then just type in, like, maybe you can go back to the affiliate vendor page. Okay, this one, you can go to take a look at maybe the copywriting, or maybe the article. All right, you can post the article, the short article, in the group, and then at the end of your post, you can ask them if you want more. I have a free report about relationship, how to actually get better relationship. By the way, this product is focusing on female, so you can attract a female. For those of you who wanted to have a boyfriend, or etc, etc, you can actually PM me, and I'm going to give you the free report. Okay, something like that. So they will more likely engage and comment and maybe PM you, because they want their report. Because, and the most important thing, because this group is actually a very targeted group. Okay, that is number one method, how to get your lead, right? So number two is, you can go to more, and then click members. What you're going to do is, you to find the admin and moderator here. Okay, so what you need to do, add the admin as a friend, and then DM them and ask them whether they have a slot for you to promote for you to share your free reports. All right, so I don't think it, I think it shouldn't be any problem, because you're not spamming or you don't even promote anything. What you literally do is you just want to share the free reports, which is a pack with content, a very valuable content on helping people to get a good relationship. Okay, so I don't think it should be any problem. Okay, so then what you need to do, you can pay a little bit of money and then you can get massive traffic. The most powerful about this method is these people is very engaging. Okay, these people very engaging and very active. Just take a look, 210 posts a day. Okay, 300 posts a day, 200 posts a day. All right, so this is very engaging and very targeted. So that is how you're going to get free traffic, by promoting your affiliate marketing product without any website. Okay, so I hope it makes sense and I hope you get some value, and don't forget to try it out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want more content like this. I consistently upload content related to make money online and affiliate marketing on daily basis, and do smash the like button as well, because it helps the algorithm. Okay guys, so I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.